Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the IKT Bluetooth headphones here. These are 5.3 headphones and they are wireless and with 33 hours of play time are possible with that. Really cool. It is equipped with an LED power display. It is IPX8 waterproof, so you can use it while you have a workout, for example. You're going to run in the rain, for example, but do not go diving with it. We have a deep bass function, CVC 8.0 delete calls, and a built-in for microphones. Headphones for sports, for work, with a crystal clear call. The Bluetooth headphones have 4 built-in microphones for 3 times clearer calls and effectively reduce interference during calls. And 36 hours of playtime with light-emitted diode indicator. The dual cool light display accurately shows the remaining power of the wireless headphones and charging case. The 6 hours playtime on a single charge can be extended to 36 hours with the charging case. And we have HD stereo sound. The Bluetooth wireless headphones with 14.2mm graphene and dynamic speaker unit. This enhanced bass technology 3.0 with 43% bass boost for a high quality sound in this price level, of course. It's comfortable and stable. 3 size of silicone ear tips, SMNL, for comfortable wearing all day long are included. Each Bluetooth earphone weighs only 0.12 ounces and IPX8 waterproof. The nano coating and the IPX8 waterproof technology protects the headphones from sweat and rain. We take the Bluetooth headphones out of the charging case and the headphones wirelessly connected to the IT107 automatically, which only takes 1 second. If you paired it before, of course. The first pairing process is really easy, as you can see. You remove it out of the box and then go on your smartphone, for example, to the Bluetooth function or pairing mode. And then you will see that device here, and then you can pair it easily. After this process, it saves, and then you can make an automatically pairing again if you get out the headset out of the case. If you like to reset the devices, it's possible too. If earbuds has any connection or function problems, then we have to reset the earbuds. We delete the BT pairing information on the phone as shown in the video. Then we put the earbuds into the charging case to charge. We take out the earbuds and wait for 20 seconds. If this is done, the pairing process will be reconnected as well. So, what we can use it as a preparation. We have touch buttons on the right and on the left side. If we go and push right or left 2 times, that means play or pause. If we push 2 seconds and hold it for 2 seconds, right or left, that means we switch the song forward or backward. Forward, right, backward, left. And the adjusting volume option is easy. We push once to the right for volume up, once to the left to volume down. If we push and hold right or left 5 seconds, means switch on or switch off. The left will switch off and the right will switch on. Or it's the opposite way? I don't know. Then, if a call is coming in, we can answer it with the left 2 times touching. If we go to the right side 2 times, we hang up the call because it's an headset. Reject call 2 seconds, left or right, hold it. And 3 times left or right, voice assist. Really cool, isn't it? Yeah, it is. We keep the product away from extreme hot and cold environment. It will damage the battery and circuit. We avoid liquid immersion into the product. We do not disassemble the product. We do not use concentrated chemical product or detergents to clean the product. We use only a 5-volt 1 ampere power supply. This is, for example, your smartphone power supply. We connecting the power supply voltage too high may cause various damage. We do not randomly discard to place the product near fire or high temperature to avoid the danger of an explosion, of course. These are the IKT Bluetooth headphones. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.